Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here we have a data validation. What we're looking at is specific timelines. We want only prices within a specific month with data validation. Over here, we have costs and we have a date. How do we set the parameters? Well, we're just going to use the and date. We've done this in the past under a different tutorial, but here it is. And C5 greater than date 6/1/29. So we have to hard code this information in. Not good or bad. What I would suggest, and I don't know if you can do this with data validation, but you can put two dates up here. And I'm not going to do it right now, but you can experiment and put two dates in here, up here, just right here and right here. And you can have a beginning date and an end date. See if it will work with data validation. Otherwise, grab this and do what we've been doing. Insert it into data validation. Now, key thing here, there's no name range, so we don't have to worry about that. In terms of just entry, you remember, just grab this and copy. Or, I'm kind of cheating here. If you're establishing your own protocol, then you're simply not going to copy and paste this. You're going to just type it into the custom block within data validation. Data validation. What's critical here, remember, highlight the range before you go into data validation, then insert the formula or type in your own formula. Data validation, and custom. Okay, what's critical here is understanding if you don't get this formula, then break it down. Okay, date. Here, date returns a date from a year, month, and year. Month, day, and year. In logic, it's just a simple and. Both have to occur. The date has to be between the two. And basically says C5 has to be greater than or equal to 6/29/1 or June 1st and less than date 6/30/2029. That's it. It's just familiarizing yourself with how date works and then just hit go. Data validation does not work with random data inputs. You know how I am using this F9 random data. Here you can't use that with dates. So that's why you're not seeing an F9. If you need a brush up on what I just said, over here on the right, just do a cursory 2.5 minute read and then practice. You know my drill is this is all about practice, practice, practice until you become, well, an expert. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks.